Hey everybody, it's your friend Jenna from Uncomplicated Kitchen, and right now I'm gonna show you how to make the absolute quickest breakfast wrap you may have ever had. First thing I wanna do is saute off some veggies. Had some pepper getting a little soft in the fridge, so we're gonna throw that in a pan and get it all nice and caramelized so we can use that in our wrap. A little bit of olive oil to coat the bottom of that pan. It's about medium heat right now. Throwing in some yellow bell pepper. I'm just kidding, that's actually orange. For those of you at home, I am aware of the difference. Oh, wow. Gonna add a little bit of salt to this, just a big pinch. It's gonna help draw out the moisture in those peppers. We're gonna let it start, cooking away. It's gonna sizzle a bunch, and then I'm gonna toss it and we're gonna pop a lid on it. It is going to help really trap that heat. They're gonna soften much quicker, and we'll be able to eat our wrap much faster. All right, let's check our veggies. Ah, looking good. They're starting to soften, getting some caramelization on them. Another couple minutes. From beginning till end, this was about a 4-minute saute. Peppers are out. Because this is a very fast breakfast wrap, especially assuming that, you've cooked those veggies like yesterday. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add some butter to this pan, and while this butter is melting, we are gonna microwave a little tortilla with some cheese on top, and it'll be ready for us when our eggs are done. All right, we're melting the butter in this pan. We are doing that over low heat, and as soon as it foams up and then stops foaming, we're gonna add our eggs. So we already salted our eggs just a little bit. Now we're gonna add them into the pan. Salting eggs before cooking them helps them to stay nice and soft. I just shut off the heat. The eggs have been in the pan for maybe 30 seconds. Those are gonna be ready for us. Getting our tortilla with melted cheese out. Add a few of our cooked peppers to that. You could also add greens of any kind. Whatever veggie you like is absolutely fair game. You sprinkle of green onion, a little crack of black pepper, and your breakfast wrap is done. Eggsellent.